Howdy guys, so today I have a problem with my car, and it's still baffling, but I had mice eat through the rubber boot on my air intake hose, and then uh, through part of my multimeter and part of the coolant hoses. So I've come out here to make a patch. I have this ballistic nylon that I use for dog toys, and I have this tire sealant and some zip ties. So let's MacGyver the shit out of this. Okay, I have taken the boot off, and now we're going to put a bunch of rubber cement on the boot. A piece that's going to seal it. This is tire sealant rubber cement, so you can either use that or just some plain old rubber cement, because this is a rubber part and it's going to need a rubber fix. Okay. See how the rubber cement's bulging out of that? Bulge. I think this will hold just fine. I can do some just in case etudes. Is what I call them anyways. Just in case it decides. So what we got? Sounds pretty good to me. Now I gotta go to work.